If you need to connect your Namecheap domain to Shopify, a VPS, email hosting, or any other service, then this video is going to make the process simple. Today, I'm showing you how to add DNS records on Namecheap, including A records, CNAME records, TXT records, and MX records, so you can point your domain exactly where it needs to go. This is one of the most important setup steps when launching a website or connecting a custom domain. And the good news is, once you understand the process, it only takes a few minutes. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's jump in. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the domain list section. This is where all of your registered domains are shown in one place. Find the domain you want to update, and then click Manage next to it. That will take you to the settings for that specific domain. Now, on the domain management page, you want to open the Advanced DNS tab. This is where Namecheap lets you control the records that direct traffic, verify services, and connect your domain to different platforms. Under the Host Records section, you'll see your current DNS entries. To add a new one, click Add New Record. Now comes the important part, selecting the correct record type. If your hosting provider asks you to point your domain to a server IP address, choose an A record. If you are connecting something like www to another domain or service, you may need a CNAME record. If you're verifying ownership for a service or adding domain verification text, you'll usually need a TXT record. And if you're setting up email, your provider may give you one or more MX records. Each record type has a different purpose, so always follow the exact values given by your hosting company, website builder, email provider, or app platform. After choosing the record type, fill in the host field. This is usually the subdomain or symbol your provider tells you to use. For example, it may be an @ for the root domain or www for a subdomain. Next, enter the value or target. This is the destination you want your domain to point to, such as an IP address, hostname, verification code, or mail server address. Then choose the TTL setting. In most cases, the default value is fine, and if your provider recommends a specific TTL, use that instead. If you're adding multiple records, repeat the same process for each one. For example, Shopify may require both an A record and a CNAME record, while email setup may require several MX records and a TXT record for verification. It's always best to copy the values carefully because even a small typo can prevent your domain from working correctly. Once all the records are entered, click Save All Changes. Namecheap will then apply your updates and the DNS changes will begin to propagate. Keep in mind that DNS updates do not always work instantly. Sometimes they take a few minutes, and in some cases, they can take longer before the new records fully go live across the internet. If everything was entered correctly, your domain should start pointing to the right service shortly after propagation finishes. And that's it. You now know how to add A, CNAME, TXT, and MX records in Namecheap to point your domain to Shopify, a VPS, hosting, or email service. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more clear step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.